That's a great
Go,
idea.
Bianca.
Let's do that. Look at your puppet and have his mouth match your mouth. You know, watch and see what you're doing. You're your own critic here.
But
Okay?
isn't he supposed to have a deep voice? And it's like,
You can do whatever you
can
want.
have any voice you want him to have.
Yep.
Colton's got a good voice.
You've got to give him a voice, okay? So let's do that again. Just pay attention to your mouth movement, okay? 1, 14, 6. Jesús le dijo, yo soy el camino y la verdad y la vida. Nadie viene al Padre sino por mí. Okay. How'd you do?
okay.
Look, now Bianca on the plane.
Can you tell?
That's good.
Did that help you to look at it?
Yes.
At all?
Yes.
It did? What about Juan Diaz Diaz? Do you guys know Juan Diaz Diaz? No.
El ladrón.
Okay. Okay, you ready? 1,
4, 6, 6. Sorry.
Yeah. 1.
Yes.
Look at your puppet, Patrick, so you can see his. Go ahead.
El ladrón no vino sino para hurtar y matar y destruir.
Look at your puppet.
Yo he venido para que tengan vida y para que tengan abundancia.
Okay, so we don't know that one at all.
They do too.
They do too?
They somewhat know it better than what they